Okay, here we are, trying it again. We're trying to figure out this camera so we can load it up on the iPad while we're in Europe. It is Thursday, June 16th. We're all at Grandma and Grandpa's. We're going to have some dinner before we head out early tomorrow morning. Here's Richie hanging out on the computer. You going to say hi, Richie? It's going on the internet. Eric and Jayla. It looks like they're playing on the iPad. What are you guys playing? What is that? Oh, some fun game. Can you guys say hi? No? Okay. Lindley and Kaylee are going to try and hide under the table at Grandma's. Hi, girls. Are you going to say hi?
No.
Not at all? There's Lindley's pretty face. Here goes Jim. Jim, turn around, say hi. There's Jim. And then in here, cooking is Sis and Grandma. I'm trying to learn how to do this. And there's Papa Farron on the phone as usual. And there's Uncle Spencer. Hurting as usual. And there is Grandma's Europe list. We're all packed and ready to go. See you tomorrow.